I can't sleep because I miss him. I don't question why he's not there, but I miss him. I miss him so much.
It's okay, man.
Like, I miss him so much. But maybe he's at peace. I don't know.
It's okay, man.
No, it's not okay. Whew. It's not okay. He's not gonna come back. But at the same time, he's not in pain. So every time I think of crying, I feel like I'm disappointing him because he never cried. My son never cried. My son was stronger than me. My son never cried, guys. He never cried. So if I cry, I feel like I'm failing him because that's not who he was. And that's not what he would have wanted. Oh, just a lot happened. I lost everything, dude. I lost my houses. I lost my cars.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ugogo Skhothile finally opens up about losing her son Umonde Junior Shange. Ukuthi Umonde Junior Shange was born without esophagus and uphile almost impilo yakhe leningi ahlala esibhedlela. People were making fun of Ugogo Skhothile ukuthi uyinyanga but akakhoni kumlapha umntwana akhe including ugogo Maweni. So nje bekubuhlungu kakhulu akumbona ngala unakekela umntwana akhe ngalana uvikana nema-bashes from social media. But so finally she decided to open up about kulahlekelwa komntwana akhe, and uyasho ukuthi kubuhlungu kakhulu, ubuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga, and it's something langeke azayikhohlwe empilweni yakhe ukuthi bekamthanda umntwana akhe, and umntwana akhe was very strong, bekangakhali. So bekangine-interview lapha ku-podcast yakhe libita nge-The Venting Podcast, la beki-interviewer ayena nkosi yami, and you could see how hurt she was. Sithi love and light to you, Gogo Skhothile.